every hurler wants to play in Croke Park, no matter what level or what grade, but to play with your club in Croke Park in an Ireland club final day is no doubt something special.
Baile Mhic Gonnair Baile Locha Riach
We're all up from Ballygunner today supporting the lads, so hoping for a good result and fingers crossed we get over the line for Waterford and for Ballygunner.
I flew in on Thursday evening for the game from San Francisco, California. Couldn't miss it.
Very excited, but I'm nervous as well.
Very nervous.
I have butterflies.
I'm supporting Loughrea. I've been hurling myself for years. I played minor here back in 1978 in Croke Park, and I was on the team that brought Loughrea back senior in 1982, and they're senior since.
They've given us some great days out, and I just hope they get just desserts, but you don't always get what you deserve, so we'll wait and see.
He's an idol to a lot of people in Ballygunner, and to his nephews, he's a very special man and player, and he's after having his own child Rosie 4 months ago, so he's buzzing to have her here today as well, so it's a great day. It's a great day all round, you know.
I don't think there's going to be a lot in it. I think 2 or 3 points either way.
We're very proud of them. If it goes no further, we're very proud of them today.
We hope to win well, will we?
Yeah,
we were hoping
I'm
anyway.
hoping to in a big way. My grandson is part of the panel.
Our hearts are saying they'll do it. Our hearts are saying they'll do it.
Tris blianta fada d'obair chruags dúthracht bhí deis eile ag Baile Mhic Gonnair agus Baile Locha Riach clé Ceannais na hÉireann na bhuachant. Bhí mac darmad donacha agus Cathal mór a barcan crocaigh de clé Ceannais Iomána club na hÉireann.
Táta Ceannais ar lós is a chéad antaí sí Baile Mhic Gonnair steach an dró Deddy agus Shane Morgan. Tá sí ag Deddy, slash céim tí bháin, slash céim tí bheile, slash céim leile, Ilan Géir, bút ag Deddy, agus a chéad scór ag Deddy Hutchinson. Mooney agus ina fátanis ag Colin Killeen. Colin Killeen is a gira chur Traston Park is the draw Jamie Ryan. Tá sí fáte ag Jamie. Ilan Géir Jamie tort faoi cechol an Iarach sin ag Jamie Ryan. Tá an Iarach sin, Arbor. Post up, Baile Mhic Gonnair non na pasna garage á bhla. An chancenis, King Jim Bulchisteach ag Ian Kenny. Seachador Patrick Fitzgerald. Patrick is slauno. Is a gira eilú tá sí fós aige. Pascal Mahaga, Kevin Mahoney, Brandon Christian, come on, Kevin Mahoney! That's a Shane talk at Kevin Mahoney. Brian Keary, pass just across the spot. Oh, that's she caught it. And Harry Ruddle, just trying to go. Anthony Burns, Ishal, Sawajek Stephen O'Cave. Sawajek Stephen. Pisha Gore, Gardo, clean over the Jenna, Philippani Shear. Philippani Traston Ceannais. Mikey Manny Shear. Rúta Aiga Conor Sheehan right, Canchan Bulter Ord, Watcher Ashig, Cullen Killeen, Cullen the Nabutziga, and Pastor Ashiga, Chandra Gajasi and Hanran, Gajasi Chonish, Mat Fedel up Trichno, Shothan Ira, Anthony Burns, Bultiga Jas, Ibrahim Jas, Trichno Gajas.
Baby on Shancer, Colin Shin, Sovel Chicken, Colboira, Stephen O'Keefe and Shin, a Bader Garosh. Goal an Tessa chur Trasna an sin bhí Vince Morgan ag fannacht an seo féach an Taig Foley imhe Trasna agus bhí Morgan sa lár dámach sé feici ag Burns.
And tucha sé buile le chun Stephen O'Keefe bhla. Potter Ashley Baile Locha Riach Riach. Can't put it off as Tashi. Stop it to Vince Morgan for Colleen Tuck. That's a third feet. Call Riach Stephen O'Keefe and on again. Our Northman talks to Iomána, Candice Farrell or Stephen O'Keefe. Pascal at Traston Chin. Late to all hands. Watching Darren Shaughnessy cost a heart or runish or goal. Walter Shin Gomban or a goal. A fourth Michanani or Hurling Traston. On score Darren Shaughnessy. Suckers or Shinna. Stephen O'Keefe. Zurakan, more Mealtach or Delano Sir Patrick Fitzgerald. She fought Patrick Toshi Bristol Shizzy Patrick O'Hain Patrick Cachata Patrick or a Traston Toshkill Ashton Gigilachuk Kenton Sugardy Stephen O'Keefe Stephen O'Shirbagan in the foot of our Wallace Bader Fos Fechershin Lehed go fast to Mikey Manny Mikey Gale Ochin Got in a hand Ian Tuck again Hanrahan Ian Tuck her fog Tiernan Kelly in the Tiernan Arroy Canchan Butchestach Butchek Joe Mooney Toshi Tisha Millicol Darren Shaughnessy! in Hanrahan of Croatia.
Sin an obair dechar ar fud na park an sin bhí sé obair go crua chu sé steachar Mahony an Johnny Iomána ag súil leis agus seo skill ionach an sin thóg sé b'fhéidir go raibh lámh ar a grim ní dóigh liom gur pas isteach a bhí sé ach sin an éad cad é mar chlas an sin cad é mar immert ag derm seachnas an sin áras ag teach Héna ag seachnas í inis.
Agus an dara úr tá Baile Locha Riach an céine tá seanna Peter Hogan. Peter Hogan swinner call stop here. Jimmy har a traston. Put back in roar lige. Tá siad corran don garú úr.
Beidir an cool boire Garrod Loughrea, beidir Gonnair sé tábhil an sin bhí sé dechar eáil an chéadhar an sin. Peter Hogan an sin náinithe an trasnán.
Peter, yeah. Is the guy bunch letter to fáte Colin Killeen. Fágan tuiste ní. Agus fáte Peter Hogan amach an Ceannais go dtí Kevin Mahony casan Kevin go Hurling. Bhfuil an tríú scóir chat Kevin Mahony a bóla ord. Kevin Mahony ar a traston. Táiste sin a gimmert ar bar.
Tá sé gimmert ar bar an sin. Butún dionta Colin Killeen Lord Park an sin. Bhí an sell bheige.
Chance go Johnny Cohen. For Johnny Cooley needs to piece of classier thing, Johnny, pass Locha, Johnny struck. But Chancer Cole needs to sound go Keith, Aristella, and Hamshot top puck series shot.
Fial Gentig, Stephen O'Keefe and Shinner came in Killeen. Cadem are fastic Johnny Cohen and head fast Chaston and a Parker Deuce. And Dara Khan and Shinnig, Johnny Cohen, Vive Capagrushik Tortfin Colleen, Niro, Chassin took a Rish O'Keefe tack the mach.
Good G-shot on Ceannais Club. Playing Foley is Cam more fathers, Cluiche Nusa get on Cancer, British Cheesecake, will British on British Fata, Peter Hogan pass the rightish, shot the next Gareth Stock, Mikey Mahony, Gareth Stock or goal, Harrowing or yes, or go Clay, goal! Mikey Mahony!
Peter Shinnon Rudovic, Testolig and Cluiche, Cool and Shinnig, Baile Mhic Gonnair, near score, she can't kill Ceannais. Agus ní dólam gur scóil siad ceann sa Ceannais na mún nach mirid. Sin an ceann, in siad tábhachtach agus anna chríoch ar fad an sin ag Mahony atá gimmert go maith.
San sele fáte ag Baile Locha Riach mátá rís, bhfuil. Kevin Mahony in trennach an sele fáte Peter Hogan, pass to Peter Hogan is Ceannais, as he fáte Pádraig Mahony trasna, Conor Sheehan, will Dara Cooley, Conor Sheehan a shot, Tága Devon, Cerach Olin answering it. Morgan Rashak passed the shot at Old Trasna. She's Kieran Slinterach top brew chatted on the Orton. Kieran Hanrahan and Canchan Butcher Shah Kieran, which is Snapalta, Tasha Snapalta. Egg Vince Morgan Ord, Vince Morgan Harry Trasnon. Barna Lyda Gapera. In Hanrahan Lavlock Hutsa. Patrasha Conor Sheehan Riley Love one, Riley Mark Hartley, Neon Mark and Canchan, Desi Chatterjohn Kudulish, Cliché Desi, Cliché again, Sheer, Fatanish, Mikey Mahony, shots the spots reach, pass all he trusts in the park, British Shees and Kevin Dohen, on Emerson Kevin, but she already gets hard, in our ears, Africa goal, Kevin Ord, thrust on, Hain of Ordish, a long toss of Baile Mhic Gonnair.
Shin and Carol Payne to fight.
Carol Moleska. Ronan Power. Heroes Ordella and Noah Aganchin. Mahony British Shees, so she fought Mark Hartley, piece of Josh Gillig, Mark Lehalo, and Doris Chanting Mark Bernie in the ball, Mark Hartley, go hauling Mark Hartley. So she the chat to Reese, Baile Locha Riach, chat to Reese to the Colin Killeen gives us not the Glenn's boss and pass near on, pass her on, chance to Vince Morgan, Keith Reese, the shots is the Marina Whale. On Caro and Kugu saw one of the gentle Stephen O'Keefe and you.
Trying chance of your Hurling shin with Vince Morgan, Igdalish and Shin, because O'Keefe, Krog, Chaktish, Lena Law of a Havalche, Harave Kroga, Dacher, Echley.
Pass Law of a Mach. Cashit score on, Catchanish Machandor Jimmy Ryan, Jamie Gira Eluchin of Philip Mahony. Ilan Gary, Jamie, Irid Fisher, Jamie Ryan, Shin score 8 to Jamie Ryan.
Shin scored Jasig Ryan and Shin, August near in Dineg, Fanach Salor.
Count Father, Titchimishte. Gary, he met to watch Peter Hogan, Akarai, Tashi fought Desi, will Desi not major Korea, come on the front of Desi, is on towards, and the Garrett knocked on towards.
Sábháid ítach an sin Garrod Loughrea agus Desi ag brise tríd. Bhí Conor Tobin tíomh leis bhí an ceart ag a tuairt faoi. Bhí fiáildeanta ag Sean Sweeney ar fechan seo. Bulle be cearchameach fríisteach an sin bhí bulle tucha tresna ar bhí an tála Sean Sweeney.
Torrick, Marathon Null, Mara Trasnon. Now the Yarnock Delta, Thundaror, Corn Tommy Moore, Buaicphointí ag Baile Mhic Gonnair. Buaicphointí knocker, Zera. Tilcha go Hillis go Homeland. And ish by Kant or go Noshunta.
This is it's a dream, and we've so much hurt. I know everyone talks about how successful we are, but the hurt we felt over the last couple of years, that is just so special. Semper Stadium last December looked like we were done. People said we were done as a team. Younger lads drove things on again. And this one's even sweeter because we were dead and buried. When everyone doubted us that we were finished, no way, no way.
First half, game was touch and go, tit for tat, very close, 1 point in it.
Ilan Gear, Buaicphointí Desi, agus a chéad score, ag Desi Hutchinson.
We didn't play well in the first half at all. We had a couple of half chances and we needed to be more clinical.
Their keeper had brilliant pokeouts out around the middle and they were scoring points from it, and we were struggling to get a handle on that.
Cantion Buaicphointí, and she's just a minute goal. Goal!
In fairness, they got a fantastic goal, and suddenly we're going in level when maybe you feel we could be a point or two up.
We weren't happy at half time and we came out and dug real deep.
I just think in the second half we got back to what we do best. We started working the ball better, we started supporting each other better, and I think that was the difference today.
Peter popped one off to me and I said I just put the hammer down and see where it took me.
Mikey Mahoney got a soccer goal. Tyrone go yes, or go Clay. Goal! And Mikey Mahoney!
That man is in the best condition he's ever been in, and he got his due reward there again today.
Anytime they got a run on us, they seemed to come in on goals.
Táhaid ag Stephen O'Cave. But Chanter goal ní, Chanter Sáhaid ag O'Cave. Aristella.
The saves that he made were absolutely crucial.
We probably won't realise how incredible he is until he's gone. His distribution, it's like having an outfielder or a creative player on goal, and that's what he does.
The last few minutes, that stage, we're a few points up. I suppose when you're in that position, it's a case of hold on to what you have, shut the door on the opposition and make sure they don't get in for a goal. And this group on the pitch, they managed that so well.
2 minutes to go when it went out to maybe a 6-point game. Maybe you could enjoy being in Croke Park now, knowing you're going to win an All-Ireland title.
Now the Yarnock Delta, Thundaror, Corn Tommy Moore, Buaicphointí ag Baile Mhic Gonnair.
It means everything. It's probably something I've dreamt about maybe since I was 4 or 5 years of age, and never thought maybe it would actually materialise.
We were broken last year, we were broken. But we came back, and that's what good teams do, and I think we proved it to everyone now that we're a good proper team. Just little things are so special, and have Kelly and Rosie here and my whole family. Father went through a bit of a tough time recently too, and to have him smiling up there somewhere is just incredible.
It's a dream come true to win this the second time. It's been an absolutely fantastic year, and it's been a privilege to play with these people, and I'm just so happy.